talagang di mapakali sa beauty mo. Napakatindi sa tuwi kaya nakikita halos niyayain ang buong kong katawan. Hindi malaman kung ano ang gagawin, halos nagkandang tuloy sa katitiin. Ganyan katindi ang dating mo sa akin, kaya sana'y pansinin ang aking lamig. Segundo, minuto, oras, araw-araw, gabi-gabi, linggo-linggo, buwan-buwan, taon-taon. Tapos na ang Pasko. Kailan ba ang anibersaryo?
One day, not about fingers or your voice at night. It is a blessing that takes the righteous person. Who would live this way? But where am I going? You know I'm talking. No way. Something that goes around when you never let me down. So I never kiss you.
Pusido, ako na may tulungan mo. Ba't hindi pandain ang kanyang damdamin? At nang ako'y mapansin, Mr. Pusido, Kari, huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Hala talaga, minsan siya na kausap. Ako ay parang nasa ulap. Natitansa ko nang ako'y kanyang titigan. Sa puso ay anong sarap. Tunay na kapag umibig, lagi kang mananaginip. Pagkasama mo siya ay ligaya na walang patid.
You look so beautiful in white, and not my very friend. This day I'll turn. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Wow, para tayo. Sabi sa'yo tayo na we have it started, I know it's better. This week, say to the world.
Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw. Kahit natin lahat kalimata. Guys, papupo ako dyan sa babaeng ko. Kahit na malayo kahit pararing kapit ka, mahal. Pumunta ka, malalim na ito gabi. Sawi po, kahit kumipit-kulay ng
Would it be pagbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan. Kung mawawala ay di ba't sayang naman lumipas na sinilabag. At kung magkamali sa'yo, patawad ang pagsamo ko. Tayo na't ulitin ang pag-ibig natin. Huling ikaw lang at ako. Dog show ang live. Hindi po, ano lang, entertainment. Kailangan ko ang tunay na pag-ibig mo, dahil tanging ikaw lang ang pintig ng puso ko. Ay. Hahayaan mo ba na maging gano'n na lang? Ang nipis ko dito guys, no? Ang isa't isa'y mayroong pagdaramdam. Bakit di pagbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan?
Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I choose to do. So go easy on me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed the world to put you both first, but now
Mahal ka, mawakap at masayang sa ulan ng mundo'y gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Lumilim man ang paligid ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko. Bakit uhaw sa'yong sayaw? Bakit ikaw hindi bibitaw? Sa'yong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi mo. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw.
Oh no!
hearing me softly with this song, hearing me softly with this song, letting my heart out this way, hearing me softly with this love. I hate it on a good song. I hate it had it for a while, and then you watch this jumble.
I've been waiting for, I've been praying for all the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars in the children's replay. One day, one day, one day, but oh, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose. 'Cause we lose when they beat on towns on innocence, blood and treatment. Hey! Ayan, binabati ko po sa inyo lahat. Hello po sa inyo. And samahan niyo po ako sa aking live house ngayong gabi. 800 viewers ko po, hello po. I am Admin Bon, and this is my first song. It's Reggae Night. No, sometimes in my tears I drown.
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y haganapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong sino ko pa kaya ibigin mo? Tumapati ng buko.
Thank you so much, TVH Lin.
Nakarang ang iyong buhok.
Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give me more when I don't even have it. I always dreamed of a solemn place, someone who feels like a holiday. But now in the basics, really believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night. No lie, I tell you how I almost died, but you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. This time I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby.
Sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan. Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay iisa. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, sigaw ng sabay-sabay. Kapayapaan, ayun naman, kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan.
Ayun guys, mamaya ko na kayo i-follow back. Thank you guys sa pag-follow sa akin.
Babalik ako ulitin, sabihin na mahalin, kasampatin, kahit muling saktan. Sa pag-alis, ako'y mababalik, sana
dreams too. And deep inside, is my love still alive? And God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it'll be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you more, it's true. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your heart, and if I ever lose your mind, oh baby, I'm dying for you.
Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Halang. Would it be a thing? I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Something I'm meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you.
Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, cause I need to know. You say you'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl, marry her anyway. Marry that girl, no matter what you say. Marry that girl, and we'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude? Yeah, thank you, Miss Dorian. I hate to do this, you leave no choice. Can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be both standing at that altar. Oh, we will run away to another galaxy. You know she's in love with me. She will go anywhere.
Ngayon ako magkalat na balita na ang misis ni Juan ay madaling makuha. Bago maniwala, isip-isip ka muna. Marami ang namamatay sa maling akala. Nung ako'y musmus pa lamang ay takot sa mundo. Nung ako'y naging binata sa erpat ng ako. Mayroon ng asawa, mayroon ng pamilya, wala namang mulo sa asawa. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-alinlangan kung tama ang gagawin ko. Basta huwag kalimutan magdahan-dahan, kung di sigurado sa kalalabasan ng dumadami. Di mo maibabaon sa limot at bahala kapag nabulag ka sa maling akala. Thank you, Nawi!
Wondering what you would say, hoping you don't understand. It's not a role I usually play. Don't say too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's yours. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me.
Kamusta ka na? Palagi kitang pinapanood sa Pornhub. Ay, charot, mali. Jopay, pasensya ka na. Wala rin kasi akong mag-ausap, maikama. Ay, sorry. Huwag ka nang mamala. Huwag ka nang mawala. Oo nga, nasa live post na pala ako. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-away, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. O dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-away, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sorry po.
Shadows overhead. I've been sleeping with the clouds above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped the best, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all the hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need it again someday. I've been setting aside time. Baby Kim, thank you. To clear the little space corners. Di ba mali? Ayun ako na kasi yan dinownload guys, mga alas 8 or alas 7. Nakatulog pa nga ako eh. Namiss ko yung walang contacts, nakikita ko kayong lahat. Nakikita ko pati, ay hindi ko pala kayo nakikitang lahat. Nakikita ko malinaw. And all I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. I've been
Mga panahon nais mong mahalin. Bakit ba bumabalaki din yung mundo? Pinagalawan ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Sa tira di mapigilan. Itangin mo lang sa iyong puso, kaya mo yan. Pagkabigot, tingin lang yan. Gumugulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lamang yan. Huwag mong itigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Huwag isipin ikaw lamang ang may matinding na kabalaran. Ika'y hindi tatalikuran ang ating Ama na siyang lumikha. Hindi lang ikaw ang nagdurusa at hindi lang ikaw ang lumuluha. Masakit mo'y may katapusan, kaya mo yan. searching for a place to hide. Lost in glory, now you've gained and to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't you worry, sometimes soon it's gonna let it dry. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now we've found you, there's no more to miss inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.